Today we're going to remove a battery from a 2016 Honda Civic. Alright, the tools we'll be using will be a 10mm deep socket. First, what we're going to do is loosen up the negative terminal. Once we have this terminal loose, we'll just remove it from here. And here we'll bring this up. And kind of have to pull this out, if not use a trim tool removal to apply it out. And you could also just wiggle this up and out, and that will give us access to our battery bracket there that we have to loosen up. And this is why we're using a deep socket, so we can loosen up this bracket here and loosen it up here. Once we have this bracket loose, we could undo this hook from here, swing this over. That will release the battery. Next, we'll loosen up the positive terminal here using the same 10mm. Once you have that loose, we'll just wiggle this back and forth and pry it out, and we're ready to remove this battery from its location. You might need both hands for this, and we'll just sit there on the ground, remove this heat shield, and there you have it. That is how you remove this battery from this 2016 Honda Civic. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.